Hello there guys, I'm going to teach you how to make scrambled eggs in the microwave. This is for college students that don't have stoves, so you'll need milk, 1 egg, a cup, any object, salt or pepper if you want. So first, you're going to crack the egg. There you go, cracked. Now we add a little bit of milk. There you go. Then you just stir until it's all yellow. Then you could add salt or pepper to your egg. I only got a little bit. I don't want mine to be salty. Okay. And then add some pepper. Not a lot though. Come on. Okay, there. Now you could just stir it up so everything is good. Okay, now you put it in your microwave. So bright, can't even see it. Okay, put it for 2 minutes, 2:30, just there. Just let it be. And get a plate out so you could dump the, whatever it's called, the egg in there. Let me get this. Brrr. Just playing around. We're gonna go right back to it, right? Okay, here's our egg. Let me get it. There it is. Just take it out. Watch out. Get out of the way. Okay. Oh, there it is. Look how fluffy it is. There's still some in there, so let's. Oh, it's all foggy. Okay, there it is. I'm going to taste it. Hot. Tastes good. So you try that out yourself. It's just hot, but it does taste good. Well, here's another video. Peace.